The collision was catastrophic, resulting in the immediate deaths of both Anish and Ashwini. This tragic event powerfully underscores the grave dangers associated with reckless driving and left their friends and family in deep shock. In a frantic attempt to escape, the young driver fled the scene but was quickly apprehended by bystanders. His age, coupled with evidence of intoxication, raised serious questions about the legal accountability of underage drivers in such situations. The court's controversial ruling, which imposed only a minor penalty that included a mere 300-word essay, ignited widespread outrage. This leniency sparked intense debate over the justice system's treatment of drunk driving victims. The boy's decision to consume alcohol at a pub spotlights the pervasive issue of underage drinking in India, where legal drinking age regulations are frequently flouted in social environments. Driving under the influence of alcohol presents severe risks, particularly for inexperienced drivers. In this instance, the boy's reckless choice to operate a high-speed Porsche while intoxicated culminated in a devastating accident. The media's presence at the police station highlights the intense public interest surrounding high-profile cases like this one. The privileged treatment of the boy during the investigation further raises eyebrows. Family members and lawyers gathered at the scene, adding to the emotional tension and public scrutiny enveloping the incident. This heightened attention complicates the police's handling of the investigation. The involvement of MLA Sunil Tingar injects questions of political influence into the investigation. His long-standing ties to the boy's family could potentially skew public perception. The failure to promptly conduct blood and personal appearance tests severely undermines the integrity of the investigation. Accurate results are essential to fully comprehend the circumstances surrounding the accident. The chief medical officer's troubling actions, including the swapping of blood samples, raise significant ethical concerns regarding medical integrity and accountability within hospitals, breaching public trust. Ashwini and Anish, both young professionals, had promising futures. Their untimely deaths remind us of the deeply personal human cost associated with reckless behavior, leaving their families and communities devastated. The public's outrage over the incident catalyzed viral social media campaigns demanding justice, illustrating the potential impact of collective action in contemporary society. Such movements can pressure authorities to respond decisively. Several individuals implicated in the incident faced charges for serving alcohol to minors, shedding light on the continuing problem of underage drinking in nightlife settings. This raised significant concerns regarding their accountability. The court's decision to classify the minor as an adult in this case reflects a critical legal perspective. It emphasizes that severe crimes committed by minors can indeed result in adult-level consequences, aiming for stricter accountability. The family's narrative surrounding the incident hints at broader issues of mental health and addiction, complicating the legal implications. This account may indicate a potential defense strategy for the minor involved. Initially, the driver admitted his culpability but subsequently faced intimidation from the boy's family, leading him to launch a counterclaim. This twist adds complexity to the narrative of accountability. The involvement of medical professionals in evidence tampering illustrates a severe breach of ethical standards and complicity in legal processes. Their conduct further erodes public trust in the judicial system. Ultimately, this case illuminates stark disparities in how the legal system addresses individuals based on socioeconomic status. It raises pressing questions regarding both justice and privilege in society.